The U.S. economy is logically set out toward another, quote, thundering 20s, unquote, of quick development, a market veteran says. Key points. A. Ed Yardeni said the U.S. economy might be going to remember the, quote, thundering 20s, unquote. B. Quote, we're in the beginning phases of an efficiency development blast, unquote, the veteran specialist told Bloomberg. C. The economy is becoming surprisingly quick, and the S&P 500 is exchanging at all-time highs. First, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you found the content helpful and insightful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest finance tips and insights. Your support means the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you as part of the Finance Savvy community. By subscribing, you not only stay updated with our upcoming videos, but also contribute to the growth of our channel. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future topics, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. We love hearing from our viewers. Thanks again for being with us. Stay financially savvy, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a fantastic day. Now back to the article. Ed Yardeni, a veteran market planner, figures the U.S. economy may be going to remember the, quote, thundering 20s, unquote. The Yardeni Exploration president said during Friday's episode of Bloomberg's, quote, Marin Talks Cash, unquote, digital broadcast that he's expecting a blend of free post-pandemic money-related strategy and fast innovative change to drive development higher for the following 10 years. Quote, it has probably been discouraging to contemplate the viewpoint for the 1920s toward the start of the 10 years, unquote, he expressed, alluding to the new finish of the Second Great War, the Spanish influenza pandemic, and the downturn that hit the economy in 1923. Quote, but it ended up being the thundering 1920s in light of mechanical developments, things as cutting-edge as plumbing, vehicle fabricating adjusted more proficient approaches to creating things. And because of that we had an enormous efficiency blast, unquote. Yardeni expressed that there are correlations with drawing today. Quote, there are likenesses. We've had a pandemic. I think we have an innovation upheaval that began during the 1990s. Each organization is an innovation organization. You either make it or you use it. On the off chance that you don't utilize it, you will lose it, you will leave the business, unquote, he told Bloomberg. Quote, set up that all and I believe we're in the beginning phases of an efficiency development blast, and I think the information is as of now there to show that it's working out, unquote, he added. Yardeni's merry viewpoint comes simply a day after Department of Financial Investigation information showed that the U.S.'s total national output extended by a surprisingly good 3.3% over the last quarter of 2023. The benchmark S&P 500 financial exchange record is likewise exchanging at all-time highs. His perspectives reverberate those of the Swiss bank UBS, which said in November that surprisingly good development numbers from last year would make way for, quote, another large-scale system, unquote, that could achieve a, quote, thundering 20s result, unquote, for the U.S. economy. The U.S. economy might be remembering the, quote, thundering 20s, unquote, and that implies development, expansion, and rates will all remain high, UBS says. Central issues. A. The U.S. economy has resisted most investigators' expectations this year, with development remaining solid. B. That could make way for a, quote, thundering 20s, unquote, decade, as per UBS. Higher development, expansion, and loan costs could come to characterize the period, the Swiss bank said. The economy's astonishing versatility this year could make way for a new, quote, thundering 20s, unquote, 10 years of development, as indicated by UBS. Numerous forecasters had anticipated a downturn, yet development has held up far superior to expected, with the U.S. gross domestic product growing at its quickest pace in 2 years in the second from last quarter. In the interim, expansion has cooled away from 4-decade highs, however, is as yet running far clear of the central bank's 2% objective. In the meantime, yields on benchmark 10-year depository securities spiked to 16-year highs, then withdrew quickly over the last 2 months of 2023. Quote, the information recommends the economy is in another large-scale system, unquote, a group driven by UBS's head of resource distribution for the Americas, Jason Draho, said in an October research note. Quote, "A system is characterized by its development, expansion, and rate credits," unquote. Higher gross domestic product development, expansion, security yields, and loan costs would be the primary elements in a, quote, "thundering 20s result," unquote, for the economy, the planners added. One more component of the 10 years could be higher instability, as per UBS. Stocks and securities have in general moved this way, and that's starting from the beginning of the pandemic, with values piling up enormous additions while fixed pay experienced quite possibly the most awful defeat in market history. However, the two resource classes have given more indications of a relationship as of late, with both slipping lower between the finish of July and late October, before financial backers' conviction that the Federal Reserve is currently done raising getting costs energized a finish-of-year rally. Quote, "A higher stock-bond connection will make multi-resource portfolios more unpredictable, a result intensified by higher expansion instability," unquote, UBS said. Again, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you found the content helpful and insightful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest finance tips and insights. Your support means the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you as part of the Finance Savvy community. By subscribing, you not only stay updated with our upcoming videos, but also contribute to the growth of our channel. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future topics, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. We love hearing from our viewers. Thanks again for being with us. Stay financially savvy, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a fantastic day.